everyone, welcome to Dinstar product experience session. Today we're unboxing the cost-effective entry-level color screen C62 series IP phones. Equipped with a compact 2.4-inch color display and dual gigabit Ethernet ports. They are the top choice for front desks of small and micro enterprises, retail stores and regular office workstations. Today we unbox the best-selling C62 Up. The installation process is identical for the C62U in the same series. The full set of accessories is included in the package for immediate use without extra purchases. Consisting of C62 Up main unit, HD handset, RJ9 handset cord, gigabit Ethernet cable and dual-angle adjustable stand. The C62 Up with suffix P supports standard power supply via Ethernet cable and does not come with a power adapter by default, which can be purchased separately as needed. The C62U without PO function is shipped with a standard power adapter included. The whole unit features a compact, minimalist business-style body with a 2.4-inch 240/320 high-definition backlit color screen. Caller ID, contacts and call logs are clearly displayed at a glance. Its rounded edges save desktop space, and all buttons deliver comfortable bounce feedback. Equipped with an HD handset and full duplex hands-free speaker, it delivers clear, stable HD noise-reduced calls. The device comes with dual gigabit auto-sensing ports that allow daisy chaining a PC, eliminating extra wiring at workstations. After unboxing, first inspect the color screen, RJ9 headset port and dual gigabit ports for scratches or damage. Complete quick assembly and online access in just 3 simple steps. Suitable even for users with zero technical experience. Step 1. Take the RJ9 handset cord and connect its 2 ends to the handset and the dedicated RJ9 port on the phone's rear panel respectively, pushing firmly to ensure a secure connection that won't come loose. Step 2. Align the stand's buckles with the slots on the phone's back and slide inward to lock it into place. 2 adjustable height and angle positions are available. Step 3. Power on and connect to the network. For the PO-enabled C62 Up model, simply plug in a gigabit Ethernet cable to receive power and network connection, simultaneously keeping workstation wiring neat and tidy. For the standard C62U model, connect the supplied power adapter to power on, and the screen will light up automatically to initialize. In line with green environmental protection initiatives, the C62 series does not include printed paper manuals. You can contact your channel supplier or visit Dinstar's official website to download free electronic quick installation guides and bulk provision configuration manuals with clear graphic steps, which greatly boost the efficiency of mass deployment for multiple workstations. The C62 series supports 6 SIP accounts, 5 party local conferences and 9 programmable function keys. It is compatible with all mainstream IPPBX and call center systems, and supports SIP encryption, automatic bulk provisioning and wall mounting. It is an ideal fit for SMEs, chain stores and back-office workstations with limited budgets. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about configuration and debugging, please refer to the electronic manual or contact Dinstar official technical support at any time. See you next time.